We are going to make Maharashtrian stuffed pomfret in chili coriander. This is a Maharashtrian non-vegetarian dish that serves 4. Preparation time 10 minutes. Cooking time 25 minutes. For this we will need cleaned and cut pomfret 1. Chopped green chillies cut 1. Chopped coriander leaves half a cup. Chopped ginger 2 teaspoons. Garlic cloves 2 teaspoons. Lime juice half cup. Salt 1 teaspoon. And oil for frying. Take 5 green chillies with half a cup of coriander leaves, 2 teaspoons of ginger, 2 teaspoons of garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of salt and half a cup of lime juice. Grind together to form a paste. Take 1 pomfret and make cuts on the side. Now stuff the paste into the cuts in the fish. Apply remaining on the outside. Heat oil. Now fry the fish till it turns brown. Garnish with a little chopped coriander. Serve with rice or chapatis. The Maharashtrian stuffed pomfret in chili coriander is now ready.